Got him. Got him. Giant king. PB. PB king hooked into. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. He's gonna run me out of line. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. This is the biggest king salmon I've ever hooked into. Oh, I gotta catch up to this fish. Just gotta land him over here. Wow. Look at this fish. Oh. These fish aren't to be reckoned with. They have a lot of power. They have a lot of power and force, and you don't want to mess with the king salmon unless you're catching them. Oh, yep. I won't hit it. Oh. Nope. Yep.
She's just waiting for us to hit it. Just ignore him. That's the best thing you could do. Just don't say anything. Man, we're not doing anything wrong. We're just fishing. We're just fishing. We're not doing anything wrong. We're just fishing. We haven't hit anything. And if we do, stuff happens. Can't be... Okay.
No more fish.
Yep, no more fish. It's a little unacceptable, but we'll leave.